Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $1.52 more, while automotive diesel is down 97 cents and ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by 32 cents. The price of kerosene will go down by 15 cents. It's costing 2 cents less for propane, while butane will increase by $1.32. And oil prices fell today amid growing fears over the adverse economic impact from the coronavirus. Oil for delivery in March is down $1.37 to settle at $57.01 per barrel. In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar is sliding. At the end of trading, the US dollar was selling for $140.57. That's the highest the greenback has sold for since November last year. The dollar also lost value to the Canadian currency, which sold for $109.92. The pound is going for $181.12, while the euro closed the day at $156.21. Trans-Jamaican Highway Initial Public Offering IPO could open as early as next month. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement at the opening ceremony for the 15th Jamaica Stock Exchange Regional Conference on Investments and Capital Markets yesterday.
There is something big coming on the horizon, very big, and that is the Trans-Jamaica Highway IPO. Yes, that's going to be very big. And that will be listed shortly. We are hoping sometime in early February, thereabouts, target time.
The JC Index lost 6,328 points today, and the Junior Market Index declined by 31 points. Among the winners were Caribbean Cream, Portland JSX, Kingston Wharves, Cargo Handlers, and Pulse Investments. On the losing side were ISP Finance Services, G West Corporation, Jamaica Broilers Group, Paramount Trading, and Epley 8.25%. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Good evening.